Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Confirm your phone's OS and update its security patch. Once done, pick a reputable VPN provider with audited software and a clear no-logs policy. Make sure the provider supports mobile apps. Next, sign up using 2FA where available and keep payment or free account details ready. Now install the provider's official app from the App Store or Play Store. Do not sideload. That risks malware and broken connections. Proceed to opening the app to configure. You now configure the app. Open it and grant the VPN profile and any network permissions it requests so the system can route traffic. Once permissions are set, choose a protocol, WireGuard for lower CPU use and speed, OpenVPN for wide compatibility. Select based on your needs. Then pick a server. Choose a nearby server for best latency or a specific country if you need geographic access. After choosing, tap Connect and watch the status icon show an active tunnel. Test with a quick IP lookup. Finish by verifying the tunnel. Check your visible IP and run a DNS leak test to ensure traffic goes through the VPN. Once verified, enable Auto Connect on untrusted networks and turn on the kill switch so apps stop if the tunnel dies. This preserves privacy during roaming. If things go wrong, try switching servers, changing the protocol, toggling permissions, or reinstalling the app. Those steps fix most failures. If persistent, contact provider support with app logs and device details for deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.